Okay guys, so coming on here to review this boneless couch, and first of all just wanted to rave about how amazing it was, how easy it was to put this together, because you don't have to do anything. It's just boneless. You take it out of the bag and it just expands and you just put the pieces on top of each other. So amazing. And yeah, comfort is amazing. It is boneless, but it's so sturdy. Like the bottom part, not the cushion part, but the bottom part is actually hard. It's kind of like a hard, I don't know, hard foam. And then the cushion part is soft, so it just gives you that amazing comfort. So just for size reference, I am 5'8", and this is how I look laying on this couch. I actually, like, when I saw the pictures, I thought it was going to be smaller than it is. Even from looking at the size measurements, I thought it was going to be smaller, but it's actually pretty decently big size couch. Like, if you look at me, you can actually fit another person right here and still have their foot up. So you can pretty much fit like 4 or 5 people on this couch if you're going to be really cozy, like 5, maybe even 6, but honestly, you can fit 4 people very comfortably on this couch. So that's pretty cool. And then it doesn't come with these blankets, but we like to have them on there just for the aesthetics. But I want to show you guys a closer look of the couch. So this is kind of the cushion. I still need to steam this because it is a bit wrinkly still, but if you look at this one, this is a bit more smoother. This is kind of how it's supposed to be. But yeah, super cute. I love the look of it. It literally looks like a cloud couch. So that's pretty cool. And then the back is super cute as well. If you need it to be showing, if you're not putting the couch against the wall, which we're not, this is how the back looks like. It is also not like put together. You can literally move it apart, move it to any position at any time you want, which is also super nice, very modular. And yeah, just very comfortable couch. I absolutely love it. So it does come with those 3 back pillows, the pillows on the actual couch, and then these side pillows as well. This one, and then that other one right there. So yeah, definitely recommend this couch. Super cute, super comfy, very cozy. Go get yours.